We want to share a message from Magic Right.
So I'm gonna ask Magic Right for a 5-step plan to adulting. Tapos to give me 3 tips to how to improve my finances.
Uy, ang
Kasi
galing, magkasama na siya.
Oh,
Para
let's try.
Uy,
Uy.
galing! Ayan na siya.
The first one daw is to set clear goals. Parang kanina nasabi
Oo.
natin yan, no? You start by setting achievable goals for yourself, including financial goals, career goals, and personal goals.
Sobrang align nga dun sa pinag-usapan natin.
I'm
I think you're
succeeding.
doing it right. Second one is to develop a routine. Establish a daily routine that includes healthy habits such as exercise, healthy eating, and regular sleep.
The third one is to build a support system. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and mentors who can offer guidance and encouragement.
Number 4 is manage your time effectively. Learn to prioritize your time and focus on important tasks while also making time for self-care and relaxation.
The fifth one is to continuously learn and grow. Seek out opportunities to learn new skills and expand your knowledge in areas that interest you. Love this. One of my life principles is actually to never stop learning. You can always learn something from
Yep.
anyone that you meet, from anything that you're doing. There's nothing that's sayang.
Yeah.